got the feeling. Yeah, I could do this on my own. I got the feeling. I got the feeling on my own. I got the feeling. Oh yeah, what the hell? Do it on my own. Do it on my own.
This is really all I've unpacked so far. This is like 1/3 of my clothes. This is the room with all the boxes because I have no idea where to put any of this stuff. Here's some of the art, some flowers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a mess, as you can see. But soon this mess will be cleaned up. This is so hard. Okay, we did it. It's my first coffee in the new apartment, yay! Okay, it is dinner time and I am gonna watch some Netflix. This is what I got for dinner. It's vegan nachos from Ja Ja Ja, which is a vegan Mexican restaurant in New York City. Some churros for dessert. Yes?
So we can live up there. Here, I want to live up there.
What about me?
You make
What the hell? Why, yes.
I'm just so surprised to see it. Right next to Winnie.
He's a little head above water. So today I have a shoot in the Hamptons. I'm rushing there now. I have a croissant, I have my coffee from my local coffee shop, and I'm charging all of my gear before I get there. This is my life, charging everything, all the cords, everything in the car. I feel like this is hectic, but I promised you guys that I would be filming more videos, and sometimes my life is hectic, and this is what it is. I'm 45 minutes away from my shoot, which is in East Hampton, so I had to drive out to the Hamptons today. This is what my hair looks like without my extensions in. I'm super happy about it. I feel like free, like a weight has been lifted off of my head. I'm gonna take you guys with me today, a little bit of a work day. I feel like these are multiple vlogs in one, but I hope you guys like them. This is my life. I kind of have to drive between the Hamptons and New York City. I'm gonna be staying at my boyfriend's house in the Hamptons tonight, and maybe I'll go out to dinner. I'll let you know. Okay. Happiness, smiles. You have to talk a little bit louder.
Showcase their cars, whatever you really want to do. You can make this a hybrid right here. Can easily be.
Oh, y'all, are you kidding me? Yes, we never get first time.
Here's dinner.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. I forgot how good ramen was.
Tofu tastes like air.
It really does taste like air.
So bad. They I don't know how they do all this work to it, prepackaged and everything, when it tastes like nothing.
I think it's just tofu, but we've made tofu really good before.
We haven't had.